out, valve cover is up, new water pump. Yeah, all the auxiliary parts will be removed and replaced, including all the all the seals and the oil pan as well, right? Because the oil pan is leaking as hell. Yep, and the valve cover is up. Everything seems healthy. So yep, let's see what to do next. And of course, the star of the show, the reason the engine is out, clutch. Yeah, as you can see, this is a Ogura clutch, right? Yeah, you can see in the B-roll what it is. Yep, and the valve cover is painted red because I hate it. And the gold color, right? So